speed, duration, interframe interpolation. So, let's see what else we can do with our editing. We have already talked about the speed change using the Ray Stretch tool that is located in the vertical timeline panel. We can use it to change the speed of the clip by grabbing the splice and moving it. Other ways to change the speed include: firstly, there is a 4-point editing. If we set the markers in and out on both the source and timeline panels, then we can click Insert or Override. A window will appear where we can choose what action we need. Change clip speed, Fit to Fill. It will adjust the length of the clip on the source panel to the length of the area of markers in and out on the timeline. The other options offer to remove one of the points and reduce everything to a 3-point editing. Secondly, we can right-click and choose speed or duration on the desired clip. Shortcut is Ctrl+R. The window appears where we can set either the speed or the duration. For example, we need to slow down the video by 2 times, so we set the speed to 50%. On the timeline panel, the clip has slowed down, but not stretched, because another clip gets in the way of it. If we want to stretch the resulting slow motion video, we need to go back to the speed or duration window and enable Ripple Edit, shifting trailing clips. If we turn off Sync Lock on a particular track, it will not be able to move it. We can select several clips and set their speed. We can set the timeline of the clips. For example, we choose the value of 2 seconds. Then we go back to the speed or duration setting and set the value of 200 in duration. Finally, all the videos are adjusted to the duration of 2 seconds. Also, we can configure reverse speed in this window. When you turn it on, the video will be played in the opposite direction. Interframe interpolation. Let's slow down the second clip several times, for example 4 times or 25%. The human eye perceives any frequency greater than 16 fps as an end-to-end action. In this case, we slowed down the video by 4 times. The video is set at 24 fps in the settings. So we see 6 fps. Interframe interpolation tools. We don't have enough intermediate frames, but we can create them to get rid of the jitter in slow motion video. We can select in the speed or duration window. First, time interpolation, frame sampling. Display each frame separately. Second, time interpolation, frame blending. Each subsequent frame consists of a combination of adjacent existing frames. That is, we slow down the clips 4 times. We have the first and fourth frames, and the second and third frames are drawn from 2 adjacent ones. It's drawn them by mixing them together. Third, time interpolation, optical flow, is drawing intermediate frames based on adjacent frames. It's the most high-tech and high-quality option. Finally, we got this result. If we want to compare what it would look like without optical flow, then we will clearly see the discreteness. And we can notice a characteristic disadvantage of things like dynamic movements, like here. In principle, if you don't look closely and don't know where to look, then our result will be fine. Also, this function can be enabled via the right click plus time interpolation for the desired video. So, we have several ways to enable time interpolation.